Hi everybody, I'm Dr. Amy.
And I'm Ashley.
And we're here to get you back in the game. This week we're going to be focusing on week 7 through 12 knee replacement exercises and goals.
So Dr. Canada, what are the goals for week 7 through 12?
Oh, great question. So for those of you that have been watching every video, we try to give you the goals for that time frame. And this week, the goals are to return to full functioning activities and begin some light recreational activities. You also want to make sure that you're getting near 120 degrees of flexion of your knee. That's the bend in your knee. You should be past 90 degrees at this point. We would expect you to be past 90 degrees. We also expect you to have very good patellofemoral range of motion, which is that wiggle that's in your patella. You should be able to move it around at this point on the operative side. So those are the goals for these weeks 7 through 12.
Okay, so you'd mentioned some light recreational activity. What would involve that? What is light recreational activity?
Oh, good question. So if you are, let's say you love to swim, you should be back, you can start swimming again. You can start, if you're a golfer, you can start lightly like chipping and putting. Maybe some more brisk walking, because you've probably been walking by now. Maybe some more brisk walking, maybe a little mild to moderate difficulty hike, but just some light, just to get the rest of your body moving a little bit more.
So are there any new exercises during this time for week 7 through 12?
No, the good news is there's no new exercises. So we don't have any exercises to give you. The purpose of this week or these next few weeks is really to just increase your strength. So what we expect you to do is we expect you to either increase the resistance on the resistance bands or increase the amount of weight that you're using for those activities. Or if you were using, let's say you were using assistance on the step up, we expect you by now to be doing step ups on your own without the assistance of any type of, holding on to anything or anything like that.
Another question for you, how do you know when you're done with PT? What's a good indicator of I'm ready to do this on my own?
Oh, good question. Good question. And the answer to that really is regaining your full strength on the side that you had the surgery on. Another indicator is that you're not walking with any sort of a limp. You're walking normally, you're walking without assistance, you have no pain, your active range of motion is at least 0 to 120 of flexion. You should be fully able to do your own home exercise program without any help at this point.
Awesome. Yeah. Again, like we've talked about before, make sure you check with your surgeon before doing anything that we've recommended for you. If you're having any pain, go ahead and check with them.
So that's it for this video. I'm Dr. Amy.
I'm Ashley, and we kind of want to congratulate you for getting through this series and getting through your surgery.
Congratulations, you guys. You guys have done a great job, and we're here to get you back in the game.